Hey guys, I'm going to show you a couple things that I bought that might help you reduce debris in your PPF installs. I'm trying to channel my inner Philip Chan, so I talked to him. I know he wears a windbreaker and an apron from Rupus, so I picked up something that's kind of similar, but maybe something I like a little bit better, and I'll have links in the description. But basically, I picked up this pullover windbreaker. It's got windbreaker material at the cuff, so it doesn't lint. It's just folded in, and it's pretty sturdy. It's like a half zip, and they're not expensive. I'm gonna have my embroiderer put my logo on my right shoulder, and then I picked up this apron. It's meant to be like a chef's apron or something like that. I can't remember. And it buckles in the back. I chose this one specifically because there was less stuff in the front. And so let me see if I can. So what this has is a bunch of pockets. This is magnetic here. There's a bunch of pockets for squeegees. I got all Mike Norton squeegees, prep squeegees and everything in here. Perfect size for knives. Tucking tools, and I'm gonna have it embroidered up here with my logo, but it also has a little hook on the side. The only thing I don't like, and it hasn't been a super issue, but I want this to be a split leg so that it doesn't bunch up at the bottom. You see how there's like a seam there? I'm gonna have that cut and sewn so that it becomes almost like a split leg. And the only other thing too is if you bend over, way over, some stuff can, come falling out of the pocket. So if I really have to bend over, I just do this. But ever since I started wearing this, which has been a couple installs now, I've had next to no debris issues. I do a lot of other stuff as well to try to mitigate debris, but this has been, I think, maybe like one of the final pieces to the puzzle. So thanks to Philip for giving me the guidance and ideas. Links are in the description.